Okay, so what we're going to do here today is we're going to make some beaver castor lure, and we have removed the glands from 2 adult beaver, and I had them in the refrigerator overnight in a bag. That's why there's paper stuck to this one. I'll put a diagram on this video of where these castor glands are located on the beaver, but they're really easy to remove. Just cut it open, stick your finger in there, pop them out, and sever them off. You're going to need a cheap food processor of some kind. This one came from Walmart for about 10 bucks. And you're going to need some glycerin. This also came from Walmart. So you can get this stuff very readily. What you're going to want to do with this is you're going to want to take these castor glands, and whatever you're going to use to make this lure in, you're not going to get the smell out of it. So make sure it's something that your wife don't have in the kitchen. Go out and buy your own thing for this. And then you're going to slice this into smaller pieces like this, and you can see the castor in there. And this is the stuff that when you get it on your hands is going to be, you're going to smell like this forever. So be careful with what you're doing here. There's a lot of castor left in this gland. That's good. We're just going to chop it into smaller pieces, and we're going to try to save as much as we can here of the juice and things like that. You can see all that juice pouring out on that board there and onto my hands. That center part we're not going to use. We're going to take that center part and set it aside because it's mostly going to be stuff that's not going to process well in your processor to begin with. Then you're going to take this food processor and just open it up. Put the glands inside, just like this. And you're going to add a couple tablespoons of glycerin in there. And it's just a bit of a preservative and keeps it from freezing up. We're using it on the line. Start the processor. Pretty much that simple. I use about a teaspoon of glycerin to each large gland that I'm processing. Once you ground it up, you basically have fresh castor lure, and you can just put that into some kind of a container that you can dip it out of, a plastic container, take out on the line with you. You've got the freshest lure you could possibly get, and everything likes beaver castor. So you can use this on multiple sets for multiple species. Canine are attracted to it, as well as beaver. So you've got a lot of multifunctionality within this lure. I'm just using an old vitamin C plastic container here. And basically you're just going to have to scoop it out of there and into your container. I'll get myself a stick and make sure I get every bit of that out of that container, and it'll be ready to use on the line. All right, guys, that was just a quick video on how to process beaver castor into a lure. Beaver is an amazing animal. It has lots and lots of uses, from the fur to the meat, which is edible. Also great usable trap line bait as well. Again, predators love beaver, so that meat makes great trap line bait as well, especially in the wintertime for your canines and things like that. And the castor lure itself is great for trapping beaver, as well as, again, to attract things like canine as well. Appreciate your views. I appreciate your support. I thank you for everything you do for our school, for our family, and for our business, for all of our sponsors, instructors, affiliates, and friends. And I'll be back with another video as soon as I can. Thanks, guys.